Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I have not been posting for quite some time, but I've been extremely busy for the holiday. Today I'm here to show you how I did my table for the holiday. So guys, let's just get right to the video now. Now I'm adding a black runner. So this runner is extremely long. It is for a long table. So I'm just gonna drape the rest of the runner on the chair. I know the chair is not gonna be used, and I love this runner so much because it is a ruffled, crimpled runner. Now I'm gonna add a goblet, and I'm just gonna fill it with some gold Christmas balls. Now I'm adding some gold rhinestones, after which I'll add the table chargers and the wine glasses. As you can see, I added candles and candle holders, and I added 2 bottles of wine. So now I'm adding the napkins along with some reindeer napkin rings. So the table is a display table for the holiday, and I just want it to look pretty. So I'm just adding some Christmas balls on the runner, adding some decorations. I'm gonna add some fairy lights. So I just want it to look so pretty, and just feels like Christmas. Christmas is all about the decoration, the glim and the glam and the lights. So I'm just adding all of that on the runner. So these are some fairy lights. I got them from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Most of the stuff on the table, I got them from Amazon. So I'm just gonna link them in my description down below. So you can just check out that link. You can click on my Amazon associate link if you would like to purchase any of these stuff on the table. So as you can see, the tablescape color is black and gold, and I use some rose gold as well. So I use different variation of gold just to make it look more versatile. One of my favorite color is black. Some people tell me that black is not a color, but in interior design, in decor, black is like the little black dress of interior design. It's timeless and versatile, and it makes the space look classy. My decor style is Scandinavian, and of course, if you're a Scandi person, you're gonna love black, the top, the sage, the olive, all those neutral colors. So that is why I love black in my decor style. So guys, this is what it looks like in the night. It gives off a romantic ambience in the room. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.